Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn on off keyboard sound in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on settings. Okay, scroll down, click on sound and haptics. Okay, scroll down, click on keyboard feedback, sound and haptics. Just click. This option is enable sound option. Just click, then off. Okay, then back, check, click on this option and type this keyboard but no sound. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.